Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So finally, after a few weeks wait, we have the Competition Works slip-on exhaust. I'll show it to you here. It's a very nice piece. It's going to match everything else accordingly. So if you guys are interested in the full race little GP shorty pipe that I have, it'll be for sale for $100 plus shipping, and you can have it. So with the slip-on, if you guys haven't seen the videos, we have the cat delete and then this little silencer chamber delete as well. And the bike is super loud. If you want to get a sound clip of it, just scroll through some of my recent videos that I have on the Duke, and it is actually literally ear piercing. So literally all we got to do is slip this little Allen bolt off and then mount it back here. I kept the factory bolt here just because I knew this was eventually going to come. So if you're interested in the shorty pipe, $100 plus shipping, and it's yours. So let's get to installing this slip-on and making the bike a lot quieter and a lot more enjoyable to ride. All right, so let's get this shorty pipe off. If you are a KTM Duke 390 person, if you just want to do just this little shorty pipe, it sounds great with the cat and the little silencer piece. So if you want a little bit of extra noise, definitely recommend it. But running the full Competition Works exhaust plus this little shorty pipe, it was just way too loud and unbearable. I mean, I would pass my other friends riding, and they even said like it like disorientates you, and it's just like I said, it's super ear piercing. So I'm super excited to hear the way this is going to sound with this new slip-on. Also, I forgot to mention, but the actual Competition Works does have a dB silencer in it as well. So we're going to listen to what the bike sounds like with it in, and of course without it in. All right, I think that might have taken all of 5 minutes to put on. Not very long at all. So here's the look at the actual Competition Works slip-on. So let me clean up all the tools. I'm just going to double check everything, make sure it's good and tight. We'll pull the bike out and we'll fire it up for its first little cold start. All right, last step before we crank it in. Got some acetone we're going to get on this rag, and because whenever you fire it up, we don't want our greasy fingerprints to be all over this beautiful brand new pipe. I'm excited to see how this thing sounds with both the DB killer in and out. I think it's going to sound freaking amazing. So let me pull this bad boy out, and we'll fire it up for the first time with the Competition Works slip-on. All right, here we go. Competition Works slip-on cold start. It's still pretty loud on the top of the RPM, so I'm gonna go take the bike for a ride here in a second. But let's take the DB silencer out and see if it's just as loud as it was with the little the Pro Race slip-on muffler. Okay, so I made a mistake. You cannot remove the baffle. There's no DB killer or whatever you want to call it, the silencer for it. So it's going to be what it's going to be. It's still a little bit loud. It's still a little bit louder than I want it to be, but I'm going to go for a group ride with the guys tonight and see exactly how I like it, and then I will, I'll report back to you guys. But the look of it looks great from the no cat to the, I think it looks great. But I'm going to go for a ride tonight, and then I'll report back and let you know what I think about it. All right, I don't know how well this audio is going to turn out, but I have the GoPro hooked up with the GoPro bike mod that has a windscreen on it. So I'm going to try to get you guys some actual driving clips and sounds of the competition work slip-on with the full, no cat and silencer chamber delete. So let's hop on the bike, go for a ride. Like I said, I apologize if this audio turns out horrible, but here goes nothing. right, I ended up moving the GoPro to here because obviously if I set it here on this rear set, my foot was hitting the camera. So I don't know how the audio is going to turn out, but there is some audio of the Competition Works slip-on, full exhaust. We got to 10,000 RPMs in some of the clips, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So that is going to do it for today's video. So if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys at the Barber Small Bore event June 3rd through the 5th in Birmingham. Torres out. Peace.